walls between you and I, always pushing us apart, nothing left for scars, fight after fight. The space between our common rage started growing short and disappearing slowly day after day. I was sitting there waiting in my room for you. You were waiting for me too, and it makes me wonder, the older I get, will I get over it? It's been way too long for the times we met. I didn't know that it would hurt like this.
2, 3, 4.